In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play and host a custom game with bots in Battlefield 6. This is perfect if you want to practice, relax, test weapons, or just play solo without any pressure. Before I get started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Why use custom games with bots? Custom bot lobbies are great if you want to practice vehicles, level up weapons, explore map freely, or just enjoy a stress-free match on your own with friends. So from the Battlefield 6 main menu, you need to scroll past multiplayer and head into the community tab. Once you are there, select search for experiences. In the search bar, type something like custom boards or conquest boards, then press enter. For this example, I will search for custom boards. After that result load, navigate to the filter or sort option. Set the filter to most liked so you can find higher quality experiences created by other players through the Battlefield portal. Keep in mind, since these are player-made, the quality can vary. When you find a setup that looks good, look at the right-hand panel. You want to make sure it says Career XP Progression 100%, which means you will earn full XP just like a normal match. Once you're ready, scroll down to the host section at the bottom. You'll see two options. Host, this create an online server that other players can join, and it stays live for up to 7 days. And host locally, this create a private match with just you and the bots, and the server close once you leave. If you want a solo experience, I recommend host locally, and if you want friends or random players to join, choose the online host option. Before launching, you can tweak things like map rotation, game modes, tags and filters, map sizes. For example, choose smaller maps for faster, fast-paced actions, or larger maps if you want to fly jets and helicopters. Once everything is set, select host and your match will begin. When you load in, the lobby will automatically fill with board. Inside the game, you can practice with vehicles, grind weapon levels, explore map freely, play stress-free while still earning XP, as long as the experience supports it. And that's it. That's how you can host and play a custom game with bots in Battlefield 6. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.